here is a simple way how to add subscribe button animation in your DaVinci Resolve application. So, alright, let's jump into it. First of all, that's you need to open up your Google Chrome or Safari, it doesn't matter, and then find here YouTube. And in the search app, you can type in like subscribe button animation green screen, and then you can see different green screen, but I prefer using this one, for example, and as you can see it's pretty good. So let's download it. Click on the link here and do left click here and typing SS, tap enter, and then you can see this link. You can wait this and click on that green button. Once download is done, you can close this window and return to the DaVinci Resolve and then open Finder, downloads, and just drag it onto the timeline. So now we need to delete this green screen. So it's so easy, you can click on effects here and then click on open effects and click on the search icon here and type in here 3D care and just click on it and drag on the video. Once it's done, you can click on this arrow here and choose here open effects overlay. And once it's done, you can click on inspect at the top right corner and then find here effects button. Now you can see here 3D care and you can click on this icon and then just do left click here. That's it. Pretty good. But as you can see, here's a small line, but let me show you how to do it more better. Return to effects window and scroll down. Once you find disappear, you can click on it and drag like this, and as you can see it's pretty good. So let's click on video and zoom out it and change position, example this one. I think it's very good. That's it, I hope it's helpful. Please consider subscribe to our channel and like in the video. You can watch this new video or this playlist about DaVinci Resolve.